children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. CIT Society's KK CBSE School, Chikkodi. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we done? Reading revision we done it. Is it? So which are the letters we done the revision? The I sound words and the O sound words. Is it? Yes. Okay. So therefore yesterday what we done? The A sound word and the E sound word done. Revision. Is it? Yes. The A sound word, the E sound word, the I sound word, the O sound word. Is it? Yes. So 4 vowels sounds are over. Now which one is remained? The U sound word. Is it? Yes. So in the today's class we'll learn reading revision, that is the U sound words. Okay? Yes. So already I taught you. Is it? In the previous classes already I taught you and I had given the classwork also. The I sound word writing. Is it? And reading. So everyone did it? Okay. So in the today's class also we'll read with the spelling the O sound words. Okay? The O sound words. The O sound words. So everyone has to spell the spelling and read it, children. Okay? The U sound words. The U sound words. UB up. UB up. CUB cup. CUB cup. DUB dub. DUB dub. HUB hub. HUB hub. RUB rub. RUB rub. TUB tub. TUB tub. Yes, very good. Okay, like this only. With the spelling you have to spell it and you have to read it. Okay, you have to know these reading words. Understood? So why I am giving this? Repeat because I will ask in PT2 oral exam. So everyone has to spell the spelling and you have to read it. Understood? And you have to learn it. Okay? Yes. So next word is UD erd. So now we'll read UD erd sound words. Okay? Yes. BUD bird. BUD bird. CUD curd. CUD curd. MUD mud. MUD mud. Yes, very good. Okay. Next, UG UG sound words. We'll read it. Okay? UG sound word. BUG bug. BUG bug. DUG dug. DUG dug. JUG jug. JUG jug. MUG mug. MUG mug. PUG pug. PUG pug. RUG rug. RUG rug. Yes. So these words are UG UG sound words. Okay. Yes. Okay, next is a U and earn sound word. We'll read it. U and earn. B-U and burn. B-U and burn. F-U and fun. F-U and fun. R-U and run. R-U and run. S-U and sun. S-U and sun. Yeah. So these words are U and on sound words. Okay. Yes. So next is a U-M. U-M. G-U-M. Gum. G-U-M. Gum. H-U-M. Hum. H-U-M. Hum. M-U-M. Mum. M-U-M. Mum. S-U-M. Sum. S-U-M. Sum. So these words are U-M sound words. Okay. Okay. Next is U-P up. U-P up sound words. We'll read it now. C-U-P cup. C-U-P cup. P-U-P pup. P-U-P pup. S-U-P soup. S-U-P soup. Yes, very good children. So these words are U-P up sound words. Okay. So next is a U-T ut sound. U-T ut sound words. We'll read it now. B-U-T but. B-U-T but. C-U-T cut. C-U-T cut. J-U-T gut. J-U-T gut. H-U-T hut. H-U-T hut. J-U-T jut. J-U-T jut. N-U-T nut. N-U-T nut. Yes, very good children. So these are U-T ut sound words. Okay? Yes. So like this, everyone has to spell the spelling and you have to read the U sound words. Okay? Yes. So once again, I will read it. So everyone has to keep quiet and listen carefully how I will spell it and how I will read it. Listen carefully, and like this only you have to read it and learn it. Okay? The U sound word. The U sound. U-B up. C-U-B cup. D-U-B dub. H-U-B hub. R-U-B rub. T-U-B tub. U-D ud. B-U-D bird. C-U-D cud. M-U-D mud. U-G ugh. B-U-G bug. D-U-G dug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. P-U-G, pug. R-U-G, rug. U and earn. B-U and burn. F-U and fern. R-U and run. S-U and sun. U-M, J-U-M, gum. J-U-M, gum. H-U-M, hum. M-U-M, mum. S-U-M, sum. U-P, up. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. S-U-P, soap. Yes. Next, U-T, ut. B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. J-U-T, jut. Gut. J-U-T, gut. H-U-T, hut. J-U-T, jut. N-U-T, nut. Yes. So these are the U sound words. Okay. Yes. So homework is what? With the spelling you have to spell it and you have to read the U sound words. Okay. This is your homework, reading. Understood? Okay. So everyone do the reading homework. Thank you. Have a good day.